Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a lipstick anti-haul kind of video in which I will tell you the lipsticks I won't buy again. These are some lipsticks that I will never buy ever in my life. Most of them are old lipsticks that I got, or maybe someone gifted me, or I mistakenly bought it and I regret it right now. They don't suit me or my complexion honestly, and that is why I do not want to buy them again. And yeah, now without any much further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first lipstick is, I guess this kind of lipstick everyone has or had at some point of their time. When Huda Beauty first launched their liquid lipsticks, I mean everyone tried to make a first copy out of it, and this is the first copy of Huda Beauty lipstick, and this is the first lipstick that I regret buying. So I'll just swatch this for you. So this lipstick I got with my own money, and this is the Oriflame's the One Lip Sensation Matte Mousse lipstick. It is the worst lipstick possibly I have ever bought with my own money. It was for rupees 600 something, and it was just as worse as a lipstick could get. And the pigmentation is good, the color is good, but the formula, oh my god, the formula is the worst. It says that it is a matte mousse lipstick, but it is not. It is more of a creamy mousse kind of texture. The next lipstick is the Swiss Beauty Matte Me lipstick. I'm sure a lot of you guys probably have this kind of lipstick. I have used it twice or thrice in my whole life, and every time I use it, I kind of I cannot just work it out. To be honest, I wear it under my lip balm. I wear a layer of lip balm and then I wear it, but it doesn't seem to work. I really don't like this lipstick very much. Next, I have again Oriflame's Pure Color Intense lipsticks. This is in the shade Warm Rust, and the lipstick is pretty decent. I won't say it's that bad, but it's not good for me. One reason that I don't like this is this pigmentation and the formula. Oh my god, I just broke it. The pigmentation is so bad, it transfers like anything, but the pigmentation is bad and I don't like it. Next up, I have a very unique kind of lipstick. This is the LA Girl Metal Liquid Lipsticks, and This I got for experimenting with my look. I didn't like the pigmentation and I didn't like the color payoff as well. So I really didn't like this overall lipstick and I will never buy this again. Alright, next up I have this Lakme 925 weightless matte mousse lip and cheek color. Okay, so you guys probably know that I am a big fan of Lakme lipsticks. I am not gonna complain about their pigmentation, about their packaging or about their formula. I have used their lipsticks and this from this range and they don't transfer that much, but I am not fond of this color, to be honest. This is a tangy kind of color and I really don't like this color. I genuinely don't like tangerine or orangish kind of color on my lips. I feel it doesn't suit my skin tone or complex, so I really hate buying those orangey kind of lipsticks. Next up I have Faces lipstick. This is their Gold Chic Candy Floss lipstick. This is how it looks like and the packaging is really nice, they're classy, but what I have problem with is this color. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, right? But what concerns me is the pigmentation. Like, honestly, see, there's no pigmentation whatsoever. When I apply it on my lips, I barely see the color payoff. So this is the kind of lipstick I will never buy again. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked the video, and if you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the red bell button right next to it so that you get all the notifications whenever I upload any new video. Bye for now and stay tuned for more videos like this.